Now, the next concept which we'll understand, or the chapter we'll understand, is about proofing documents. Over here in the review tab, we'll understand the checking of spelling and grammatical mistakes which we make in a particular document. Like in case when we type a text or we write something, we tend to make mistakes of spelling and the grammatical mistakes in a particular document. So how to correct it? There is a great feature in the Microsoft Word which helps you to enhance the spellings and the grammatical mistakes which you make, and to correct it whichever the mistakes you have made in this particular document. Like in case, what you can do, you can select, like over here you can see that there is a option of check your spelling and grammar. You'll select over here, you'll see that the spellings has been selected. You can either ignore them, like over here in the point it's been written PPT. Okay, so the point has been taken as a short form of PPT. I just want to ignore it. There are some names which it takes in a red column. You can ignore them, or either you can make a changes accordingly if you want them. So over here I just want the point to be PPT itself, so I'll ignore it. The rest comes the leaving. So yes, the spelling of the leaving is incorrect, so I'll change it. There is a spelling mistake of complete respectively, similar with the function, with the other this thing. So likewise you will see that there are many grammatical mistakes which you make. You can also correct it by making a right click to the word, and you'll see that the Microsoft Word automatically suggests you with the correct spelling. You can select it and you'll see that there is no red color icon or a red color marking in a particular word. You can select it by likewise by clicking the right click, or by going to the review tab. You can see the spelling and grammar check respectively for a particular document or a page. Now in case if there is some mistakes which you make in a particular lining, means it shows a green lining, that shows that you have made a sentence incorrection or a spelling incorrection. So for that, what you can do, you can again make a right click and it will show you the same system as in it shows for the wrongly mistakes, and you can select accordingly the particular lining or particular sentence corrections. So this is the feature which you can see in the review tab of spelling and grammatical mistake. Now over here for this particular mistake, what we need to do, we need to go to the file tab. Over here in the backstage view, we should go to the option. Over here, go to the proofing, and you need to see that all this, that when correcting spelling and grammar in Word, options are ticked or not, like check spelling as you type, mark grammar errors as you type, frequently confused words. So all these tabs should be ticked. If it's not ticked or if it's unchecked, you can see that even if you make a mistake in your document or in a page, it will not take the corrections and it will take it as it is, however you have typed it. So for that purpose, if you want to make a proper uses of English and proper uses of spellings of in English, so you need to see that all these particular check boxes are ticked, and you can make the changes accordingly, and you'll see the changes accordingly in the Microsoft Word document. So this is the feature of spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word 2013.